Hi, I'm Patrick Magee, the Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to part 1 of articulated mask making on a budget. The reason we're going to approach making a mask like this is that it's budget conscious and very fast and effective results without requiring mold making skills. You could utilize this type of mask making in the Halloween and haunt industry, theatrical productions, commercials, all applications where you could need a mask or makeup. Today we're going to start with life casting a performer or yourself. Then we're going to prep the bandages to actually sculpt the mask on top. We're going to cover making teeth for your mask and other elements and get into sculptural detail. This is a mask technique I've used for years and I believe it's kind of new. I've never taught it, and so let's jump right in.